Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll see how to write a SQL query to find total salary department wise, and after that we have to sort total salary in either ascending or descending order. This is the one of the very important interview question as well. So here I have an employee table which is having a salary and department number, and another table I have a department DEPT, that is called let's say department table, which is having department number, department name and location. Right now here I would like to get the basically information like department number, department name, right, department number, department name, as well as uh, total salary of the employee in every department, right? So basically we want to divide the information based on the department number and corresponding name in different groups, right? So here it's very simple to write a query. You have to write select, right? And here first of all we want to find the department name and department ID, right? And salary, total sum of the salary. So if you look into this information only you can get some of the information. We can get some of the salary as well as department number. Of course either you can get from the employee table or department table, but I want to basically get the sum of the salary, right, for those employee who has assigned in the specific department. So department number here I want to use from the employee table, and salary column I want to use from the employee table, but department number is only available in the department table, right? So we need to perform first of all joining, right? So here we'll select a few columns. So that column I haven't written it. Now from EMP, let's say table alias name I have taken as E, inner join DEPT, that's department table, let's say alias is D, right? On here I'm going to specify the condition, on what condition I would like to perform the inner join. So we have a department number in both the tables, right? So in department number, department table is a primary key, but same is foreign key in the employee table. So I would use E dot DEPT number equals to D dot DEPT number, right? So here now I'm going to, we have to write something more things, but here I am going to select E dot DEPT. Now we can select E dot DEPT. Then I would like to select the department name. So D dot D name and D name, sorry, D name. And then I would like to get the sum of the salary. So I call the sum function, and here I will pass the column name. Column name is SAL. And if you want you can give the alias over here like total salary. This is just a call, whatever salary is going to calculate, just we will give the column name as total salary, right? And here basically you have to do the group by, right? So here we'll see group by based on the what, department number and department name. We want to group the information based on these two columns, right? And again we would like to display this information in ascending order based on the total salary. So here either you can use this function in order by clause or this alias name. So here finally you have to give order by this function. So let me format this query by pressing Ctrl F7. So this is the formatted query. Now if I run, then here you can see we got the department number, department name and corresponding total salary of the employees, right? Now here you can see the salary has been sorted based ascending order. So default, when you say order by clause, here we have used the order by clause along with the group by. Group by is just I want to group the information based on the department number and D name, and we want to display the information in the ascending of the total salary, and that's why we have given the group by. So here you can use directly sum function or you can use this basically alias, column alias, right? This will also work. If I run, and here you can see now column name has been changed, right? So this is the way to basically display the information. So here alias name little long, spelling mistake, SALARY. So basically we should give in the capital letter, but that's not a problem. Now if you display, then here you can see, so by default when you say order by, then this is going to display information ascending order. If you want in descending order, by default ASC is here. If you want to information to be sorted based on the descending, DESC will have to write. Then you'll see, if I run this query, then information total salary has been sorted in descending order, right? So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.